In this demonstration I'm going to show you how we create a wireless network using our DevNet modem, a Nemtech Druid energizer, electric fence, and our security software called Circuit Master. We've set up a mock estate on the security software. There's 6 energizers, 5 of them I don't have over here, so I'll put them into maintenance mode. And I left the one on and you can see the green line that's showing that energizer is working. I'm going to lift the switch over here and it's going to break the circuit on the top wire. The energizer goes red straight away, it's picked up a fault, and you can hear the fault. The modem picks up that the energizer has a fault and sends it straight through to the computer. In the second demonstration I'm going to show you what happens when 2 wires in the fence touch each other. And that's what happens when somebody's trying to climb over the fence, or perhaps a branch falls from the fence and the wires join together. It's going to sound an alarm. So this switch over here is the situation where I have 2 wires joining each other. The energizer's gone into alarm, modem picked it up, and once again, the security software picked up a fault in the fence. So in this example, I'm going to show you what happens when the energizer turns off. Okay, you can see the energizer's on, the modem is on. I've turned it off and you can see there's no light here, there's no light here. Circuit Master server looks for the modem, picked it up straight away, that it couldn't find the modem anymore. There's a fault right here and it says Devtron server found but no 3G modem. That's how you know that the energizer is not working.